Hello everyone, I welcome you all. My name is Himanshu Saban and in this episode of Cook With Him, we are going to prepare creamy mushroom garlic sauce.
The ingredients we are going to require for making creamy garlic mushroom sauce: finely chopped onion, chopped coriander, all refined flour 2 tablespoons, black pepper for pepper powder, mushroom 100 grams, 3 tablespoons chopped garlic, half tablespoon paprika powder, 1 bowl fresh cream, 1 tablespoon oregano, half tablespoon red chili flakes, salt to taste, 50 grams of butter. Give the mushrooms a quick wash and cut them into slices lengthways. Avoid very soft or soggy mushrooms or ones with bruising. You want a nice and firm texture. Firstly, on medium heat, add some oil to the pan. Once the oil gets hot, add the chopped onion to it. Cook the chopped onions for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally or cooking until the onions get caramelized or golden. Saute onions to remove the harsh onion flavor and just barely start to sweeten the cooking onion. And transfer it to a bowl. Now, to the same pan, add 50 grams of butter, and when the butter melts down completely, add the sliced mushrooms to it. On medium-high heat, sauteing for about 5 to 6 minutes, or until the mushroom gets softened and starts releasing its water. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic and saute it for another 5 minutes, just to remove the raw flavor of garlic. Then add the caramelized onion and give a proper stir for another minute. Later, add 2 tablespoons of all refined flour and saute again for 3 to 4 minutes. After, add 1 bowl of fresh cream or milk and mix everything well, making sure combining all together properly. Now add half tablespoon of paprika powder, half tablespoon red chili flakes, chopped coriander, and mix it evenly. Also add 1 tablespoon of oregano and some salt to balance the taste. Some black pepper powder as well. If the mixture gets too thick, you can also add some more milk or fresh cream to it, just like I did here. Allow to simmer gently for 5 to 10 minutes until the sauce has thickened and cooked thoroughly. Now our creamy garlic mushroom sauce is ready. Serve on whole grain toast, a little pasta or rice.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.